Hey everybody, this is my first how-to video, but I'm totally right on this. Anyway, you know how Xbox Live servers went down? Yeah, that's crud. Now, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. Now you see, you're going to want to be offline, so go to your settings. Here, I'll show you. I'll show you one moment. Now work settings, you see? Set up what then you want to go offline. Got it? Then you want to go ahead, sign into your profile. Then you want to go back online. Then, as you can see, you're online with everybody. All your friends. Big shout out to these guys. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that how-to. Now go subscribe to Thank Me. Also, I got this from another guy on Twitter, but I forgot his URL username.